Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Jay and this is my channel Make Money with Jay. I upload videos how to make money on KDP, creating books, preferably colouring books and activity books. I create printables over on Etsy and make money there. I also show how to create these colouring books, and I give away a lot of them for free over on my website, Christmas Everyday Club. This is it. If you want to check it out, just turn the volume off and let's go to the main page. Yeah, and here it is, guys. If you look, come here, you've got lots of different activities and that you can do. Media like watching Christmas carols, videos, movies. Got a forum, yeah, blog posts, colouring pages, yeah, activity pages, printable party games, stories, you name it, guys. Lots of freebies. But we're not in that. We're not here for that today, guys. We are going to talk about different niches, some cool niches you can do. Yeah. Just wanna. So we're going to look at niches. Yeah. So if you're new here, feel free to check out some of my videos. I'll show you how to make the colouring pages. I'll show you niches. Yeah, you name it, guys. Got lots of different videos. So if you're not new here and you've been here before, welcome back. But let's get into it, guys. Over on Amazon, we've got the aquarium colouring book for kids. Now, I know I've showed this one previously. Let's get me out of the way. Yeah, I'll put me up here. Well, look, 61, right? It's got average bestseller of 125,000, yeah. But I mean, that's military. I mean, I don't know why that's on there. Probably, yeah. So sea life, look, just simple sea life aquarium. Yeah, aquarium colouring books. Yeah, moving on anyway. Next one, we have the summer. I've just typed in summer camp colouring book. Yeah, it's 53. Average 473,000, yeah, and oh, not the beach, yeah, not camping, summer camp, yeah, just lots of people are going to be going to camp on this during the summer holidays, so I just thought put in summer camp, yeah, you can do it, anything, can you? You can call it summer camp, but you can do a bit like full of activities like different sports and camping and hiking and just basically outdoor stuff, yeah. There's a colouring book full of outdoor stuff. Yeah, next we have at the beach colouring book, yeah, because it's summer. Yeah, it's got 54, average of 166,000. Yeah, at the beach. So beach life, yeah. Just simple colouring book about people at the beach, yeah. I think this guy is the same because they look similar, don't they? But yeah, just a couple of, oh look, another sea life on there. But at the beach, yeah, just people playing and having fun on the beach. Bit of sand, bit of sea, put a few people there, yeah, and there's your colouring page. Next up we have, well this is a different one, right, from colouring book, yeah. But I see people talking about this a lot on YouTube recently, yeah, because there's a new app out. I'm not promoting the app. I've not even bought the app. Thinking about it, but I've not bought it yet. But look, addition and subtraction activity workbook. Now you can do all sorts. You can do multiply and divide. Yeah, you can do math activity workbook. Just whatever you want to call it, guys. But this one, I've just typed in that. It's 42, and yeah, it's maths. People love to learn. It's coming up to we're in the summer holidays at the moment, but then we're coming to the end. That's when they go back to school. So during the summer holidays, mums and dads might want their kids to learn. Yeah, they might even want to get them back ready for school. Yeah, so look, activity books. People love to learn. Parents love to make the kids learn, I should say. Yeah, so look, you can do unicorn math book. Let me just try something actually. Let's try that, yeah. Unicorn. I didn't actually think about putting a theme to it. Only 125 results. So let's see if it's a high ranking keyword niche score, I should say. 16, nah, I didn't think it would be, but let's try one more. Let me just try something like space. Yeah, 69 results, so it's even less, so I can't see this being a top niche anyway. But I could be wrong. $25, so it's better. I'm going to try one more because just created a colouring book for camping, right? So I'm just going to see 23 now. This is going to be low. Nobody's searching for this, are they? Drum roll, please. 26. So we got better, but no. So yeah, addition and subtraction activity workbook. You can call it different things. Yeah, you don't have to call it an activity workbook. You can just call it a workbook. But the score is going to go down, and the results are going to go higher. So the competition is going to be higher. Yeah. Anyway, going back to what I like to do is colouring books. Yeah. So I've took this. So I've done addition and subtraction colouring book. Now it's only 30, but look. Colour by numbers, yeah, colour by numbers, addition and subtraction, colour by numbers, colouring book for kids, yeah. Dinosaur, colour by numbers, math colouring book, addition and subtraction, yeah. Colour by numbers, so you can do colouring books, yeah. Kids love to colour, and if they're learning at the same time, it's a win-win situation, isn't it? They're getting fun out of it, but they're also learning, so the mum's getting a win, the kid's getting a win, yeah. So I'm thinking about actually making a few of these myself. I love colouring books, and why not? Yeah, get into it. But these are the niches what you should be going for at the moment, guys, because people are going back to school soon. So you do the maths, yeah, you can do the colouring books, but also we're in the summer holidays, so people are going on days out. Yeah, they're going to be going to summer camp because the parents want to send them off, yeah, while they're working, yeah, let them have some fun. So summer camp, things like camping at the beach, yeah, things like that, guys, a road trip. But yeah, with Love Camping, I have free printable camping colouring pages, so feel free to check them out, guys. And that is it, guys, for today's video. I hope you liked it, and until next time, thank you and goodbye. Don't forget to subscribe.